Sanibonani ngani zakwethu, siyakhona niyaphila. Uyazi mawulalela ama-comments ama-leaders amazwe ase-Afrika, you wonder ukuthi lamazwe is it by chance ukuthi akulesi simo akuso kwezomnotho nezepolitiki, ngoba abantu engazi ukuthi iqiniso abanalo, abalikhulumi. Asazi ukuthi kungani i-majority yabo bangakwazi ukuvela bakhulume babe ne-integrity. Ngimzwile ubaba u-President Mahama waseGhana ekhuluma nabantu, angazi noma be-union yakhe, ebayala ukuthi why bangabi ne-integrity ukuthi i-South Africa ikhala ngani. Let's be genuine. Sesihlala iminyaka ewu-32 e-South Africa, abanye bethu, abanye 10 years 20 years depending ukuthi ufike nini. But bottom line, South Africa has been opening its arms for 32 years. Nifike niyama-asylum seekers, nagcina seniney'tolo, nagcina senithenga ama-properties, nagcina ni-hijack ama-buildings, nagcina ni-own home affairs, ninama-mobile home affairs, nizenzela ama-ID that should be illegal, but you've made them illegal because you own home affairs. Niku-human trafficking, iy'moto zase-South Africa zijomba ibhodi zingabuyi. Kuningi nje okwenzeka oku-wrong, ne-crowd healthcare system, ne-crowd education system. Akekho umuntu obona into e-wrong kuyo yonke lento, bakubona nje ukuthi ku-right. South Africa is xenophobic. Ngisho ekhaya uma ngabe sikhula siyamadodana, mhlambe siwu-5, at some point mase sikhulile kufuneka ukuthi siphume imizi yethu, wonke umuntu aphume umuzi wakhe ahlale ney'ngane zakhe. But akuvimbi lokho ukuthi sibuye kwagogo sizobabona, sizohlukanisa khona unyaka. Siphatha ukudla, wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi uney'ngane, une-responsibility. Siphatha ukudla, sithenga ukudla in bulk okuzodliwa la ekhaya from uChristmas kuze kube uNew Year. After that kuphindelwe emuva, wonke umuntu ubuyela endaweni yakhe. I-South Africa ayisho ukuthi abantu base-Afrika bangaphinde beze e-South Africa bazovakasha. Obviously they must come to visit legally and kwazi ukuthi bazohlala isikhathi esingakanani. Ngeke ikwazi South Africa ukuthi ingathwala wonke umthamo 1.3 billion people base-Afrika, ngoba labanje abelana balandelwa ngisho nayimali to take care of them. Akekho uhulumeni esizwa kuthiwa ukhokha imali ethile elandelisela abantu base-South Africa ukuthi bathole i-healthcare treatment, bathole i-education. Kufuneka kufladwe iy'kole zethu. Akulona iqiniso. Ngizwe omunye uprofessor bathi uProfessor Breakfast wase-University of Mandela University e-PE. I was so shocked ukuzwa ukuthi lo professor wase-South Africa uthi ayikho into ezokwenza umehluko mangabe abantu bokufika behamba bephindela emakhaya. This is the professor, and ngibone ukuba bias okuyisimangalisa. Ngazi ukuthi yini lemenza ukuthi abe so much in love with the things that are wrong ezenzeka ezweni. Iy'ngane zethu asina-youth. Kungenzeka ukuthi masiguga thina kuthiwe funeka si-extendwe u-65 to 75 years probably, or 70 years before si-retire, because there is quite a large population of iy'ngane zethu ezidla ama-drugs that cannot be cleaned anymore. Uhulumeni azikho iy'khungo zokuklina iy'ngane azenzile zama-drugs. Uthi omunye ubhuti ade bembuza laphana othi yena wase-Malawi, ubuza lo muntu abem-interview ukuthi uke wayicross ibhoda. Uthi lapha nebhoda masikrossa kungena ama-sniffer dog a-check-e yonke into. Uthi ama-drugs njengoba engena e-South Africa is because of your government. Ugovernment wenu is fully involved ey'ntweni zama-drugs angena e-South Africa. It's very strict ukuthi le nto ingangena lapha. Amongst them khona bama-beneficiaries. Akho konke ukungcola okukhona e-South Africa, lokhu athi ama-South Africans abakuthandi. So-ke vele inkinga ila ekhaya, kodwa-ke masithi-ke sicela-ke eke nisinikeze i-chance eke silungise iy'nkinga zethu. We are not saying we are perfect. We are saying give us a chance. We gave you 32 years. For that matter, makukhona izwe elibona ukuthi i-South Africa iyabheda, yonke lento eyisho i-South Africa ekhala ngayo, abantu abawu-7, there is a reported 7,000 abantu abasebenza kuma-universities bangaphandle. So uma uprofessor ethi akwenzi mehluko ukuhamba kwabantu abawu-7,000, assuming ukuthi abantu abawu-7,000 bondla iy'ngane zabo eziwu-2, so bawu-4 yena nomndeni wakhe. ebese bane-extended family abawu-6, that's 10 people abondlayo. Ubase eklinikhi mabegula, ubase esikolweni abantwana, ubanikeza imali ye-transport. So kusho ukuthi abantu abawu-7,000 ba-responsible for abantu abawu-70,000, and laba bantu abawu-70,000 abantu laba abangakwazi ukuthi babanikeze i-future and replicate ama-skills adingekayo to support the country. So awukwazi ukuthi unga-reduce u-7,000 people ukuthi this is nothing, akuzukwenza mehluko, and immediately kwenza umehluko kwi-healthcare system. Abantu bebehlala usuku lonke mabeyofuna usizo eklinikhi, suddenly sebehlala 2 hours. Ku-reduce i-impact ey'koleni, ukuthi ingane ade kukhona iy'ngane eziwu-45 eklasini, iy'ngane sezizoncipha mhlawumbe zibe u-30 eklasini. That ku-reduce umthwalo kothisha. And in many other sectors, i-South Africa ngesikhathi kusaphethe u-Prime Minister John Foster, uthi ama-foreigners ayesebenza emayini and there were 200,000. So he knew what was the number of foreigners in the country, and they were monitored in everything they were doing. So mase kuyithina, we don't even know how many foreigners are in the country. I think there should be a certain number. Akumelanga kube kwaholo just because ama-foreigners anama-skills ekuthiwa thina sinawo sekufuneka bagcwale bonke-ke manje South Africa. The whole 1.3 billion South Africans must come and thrive in South Africa because we are trying a brotherhood thing, ukuthi we are all brothers. For 32 years kunokuthi nibonge nithi South Africans, yazi bafethu, kulo 32 years kufuneka besiwalungisile ama-countries ethu. Instead ukuthi siwalungise, safoja ubuzo base-South Africa, safuna ukuhlala ngenkani eSouth Africa. Siyadelela nakuma-social media, abantu base-South Africa sibazi nokuthi bayini. They are angry, they are unemployed, imisebenzi yonke ithathwa yithina, and sikubona ku-normal and fair. So vele le attitude ikhombisa vele ukuthi isiyigezelene. Uma kukhona-ke izwe lase-Africa elibona ukuthi iSouth Africa iyahlanya, whether iGhana noma iKenya noma iTanzania, why bangasho ukuthi bonke abantu abanenkinga eSouth Africa beze la ezweni lethu, bazoshaya khona i-cyber crime, bantshontshe imali zabantu emabhenki, bazokwenza i-kidnapping la ezweni lethu thina, ngoba we are brothers, we feel and we understand ukuthi why benza lezo zinto. iSouth Africa ikhathele, asiyinikeze i-chance, sinike i-break. Zonke lezi inkinga ney'shoyo ukuthi sinazo, ukuthi si-lazy nani, kulungile, sinikeni i-chance. Abantu bayakhula, 32 years is a long time. A lot nathi siyakubona ukuthi besibheda nangendlela besenza ngayo emabhizinisini, sifundile ngoba sibekwe ingcindezi yokuhlala nabantu abama-foreigners. But-ke nina sinikeni i-chance siyilungise, nani nihambe noyilungisa emakhaya. That will assist us ukuthi sikwazi ukuvakashelana, size nathi sizonibona emazweni enu, silethe imali i-economy, si-adjust i-economy yenu ithuthuke, nathi sininike singenakho, nani nisinikeze singenakho. Ufike ngephemithi, ufike uhlale isikhathi osinqunyelwe ukuthi usihlale. Don't overstay, you're welcome. So kuyishwa-ke ukuthi oprofessor base-South Africa nabo benza ama-comments anasty ngalolu hlobo, babe biased, beyabantu abafunde kangaka. Ngizwile noProfessor Lumumba nje ngaba shocked, ngimthanda kangaka, ukuthi indoda ehlakaniphe kangaka akayiboni nje into e-wrong ekhalisa ama-South African, akayiboni into e-wrong ukureplace South African population ngabantu base-Africa ukuthi bazosebenza la, ukubona nje kunormal ngemisebenzi ephansi that we can do. We need to know kuhulumeni wethu okhohlakele ukuthi what is the population size South Africa must take in order to accommodate other countries. Yes, asylum seekers will always be there, but what is the size or the cut? Should we take everybody, or there is a required amount so that i-country kwazi ukusurvive nayo? Siyabonga.
Ngiyakubingelela Mbukeli. Hayi, njengoba nizwa nje ubhuti, hayi bakhalile abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngabantu bokufika ukuthi hawu, abantu ababongi noma sebehlala iminyaka engu-32 le-South Africa, bona ababongi, iy'ngane ezingakhuli. Ngisho oprofessor bayunivesithi bayakhala ngabo abantu bathi hayi, lama-stats lawa abakhuluma ngayo, hayi impela ayadumaza. Mbukeli, sacela uPhawule nawe uphinde ukhomente, siphinde sihlangane evidiyweni elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle. Bye bye.